Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing an Ikea haul. Y'all know I love Ikea. I moved into my apartment in June, so I'm still working on furnishing it and getting little decor pieces little by little. I'm a Virgo, so I think I'm really like, I don't know, but I don't want to rush to furnish my home because I want specific things and I want to get the best things, and I want to make sure I really love it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look out the window to see if that's my sister because she's about to bring Alea home, so I wanted to do this really quick. But I just want to take my time furnishing my home, and I don't think I'm going to put really much effort into doing decor, just getting the basic things I need and just getting little small things that I can take with me. So if you want to see what I got from Ikea, keep on watching this video. So I went to Ikea today. I'm not gonna put this video in no specific order. I'm just gonna go ahead and start. So the first thing I got was this vase right here. It is big. I don't know how much it was. I feel like it's like $30, and this is the name of it. So let me show you guys, and I'll show you what I got to go inside this vase. And of course over time I can switch it and probably like put something else in it, like pampas grass, because that's what I really, ooh, this is so cute. They only had one of it left, so it was definitely there for me. Ooh. I'm so childish, but this is so beautiful, and I definitely want to get another one for pampas grass. But for now I got these to go in it. This is gonna be my pampas grass for now. So this is so long, it's literally arm span length, just if anyone wants a reference that I can't even show you. And this is the name of this product, and I love it. So it's gonna go in here, and of course it'll look differently once it's untangled. I'll show y'all at the end after I get a thumbnail. Oh my god, that's gonna be so cute, and I still feel like I should cut it. The next thing I got was some wine glasses. I didn't have any wine glasses and I really wanted some, so I got a 6-pack. I think these were for $4.99, and this is the name. And let me show y'all the style because they do have different wine glasses. I just think these are really cute and simple, not too big, just seems perfect. So I'm happy I was able to get those. I got another vase. Forgot I got this. Oh, but it's like the mini, it's like a smaller version of this one. I like how it's like making the windy sound. So yeah, that's something else I got. I don't have any plants or anything to go in here. I'll probably maybe put like some Christmas ornaments in here to decorate it for Christmas until I get like an actual plant. So the next thing I got was the Dragon spoons and forks because I needed some more spoons and forks. So I got some spoons. I got 2 packs of each and some forks, and I probably should have got like 3 packs of forks. This pan, this is the Grilla pan, and it has this little thing, and they have one that doesn't have this, but this is the one I got. And this is how the bottom of it looks. Let me show y'all. This is how the bottom of it looks, just in case anybody wants to know. So this is what it looks like, and then you can just do that. So that's that. And sorry I'm not giving y'all the prices. The knitted blanket in pink, as y'all know, I got the white one, I got the gray one, and now I got the pink one. But this pink one is for our princess Alea. She loves this blanket. So I was like, let me get her the pink one so she can have it in her crib and in her room. Let's see. So I'm starting, I'll just give y'all like a little insight. I want to start my own business, and I'll tell y'all more about that soon. And I was gonna need some bowls, so I got 4 of these bowls, and I don't see the name of it, so I'll just show y'all this. Come on, bowl. Okay, so that is the name of it. So I got 4 of those bowls, and I really like these bowls. Like I could use this to, like, this could be like also a mixing bowl for food, or just some nice like serving dishes to have as well. So those are really nice. And then I got this one big mixing bowl for also my business. y'all could probably like guess. And it has I love this bowl. I actually wanted it to be without this little pouring thing, but now that I think about it, I need it to have this little pouring thing. And this bowl here is the information. So these 5 things are for my, okay, that was not gonna be smart, but those are for my business. I got this vase because I don't have any vases except for the ones I bought today. These are my first 3 vases. I wish I would have got 2 of these, but for now I just got 1. And plus I don't know where I would put the other one. There's no need for me to buy something and not have anywhere to put it or any plants. So I got this. And I got these 2 bottles. These are so cute. I seen these the last time like people got them, but I was like, Kayla, what do you need them for? But now that Alea drinks apple juice to be cute in our fridge, I think I should get this apple juice so I can fill these up and have her apple juice in it. And here is the information on this. So yeah, and it has the cork. So let me see how it works, because I know like people show these things, but y'all be wanting to see more, because I know I be wanting to see more. Like, okay, but how does it open? Also, 2 things I'm not gonna show because it's clearly heavy. I got the 9 drawer Alex drawers. I already have 2 of the 5 Alex drawers and the linen tabletop to make my vanity. And then today I got 2 more to like store inventory for my up and coming business that I will talk to y'all more about in other videos, or one video. So I got those 2, and I'll insert a clip of them when I'm done building them so y'all can see. And then y'all know I got our dining table. Oh, I kind of messed up the cork. Okay, I like messed up the cork, like I chipped it a little bit, but oh well, it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, I got some dining chair tables. So this is the bottle, this is the cork, and keep it airtight. So yes, these are so cute. And I think I feel like I've seen they sell these bottles separately without the cork. So it's completely up to y'all, I think, if they have that option. But yeah, I got my dining chair table. So I got my dining table from Ashley for $109. It's just a glass table with silver legs. Y'all know what the clear Ikea chair is. I got it in one of my other Ikea little hauls. I'll insert again video footage of it so y'all can see. So basically I got 4 more to go with my dining. That's 8, honey. I got 4 more to go with my dining table, because I'm like, honestly, this will probably just be the best option because I can't decide on what's gonna look good with a glass table. So I know for a fact those clear chairs are gonna look so bomb with my dining table, and that's just perfect. And if I do decide to find another dining table or something, all of that will be easy to sell because it's really pretty, it's really cute, and it's really modern. So that was it for my Ikea haul. I got a lot, but I didn't get a lot. Oh wait, I got one more thing. I got these surge protectors. I wanted to get these last time. So it comes in a pack of 2, and this is the name of it. So yeah, I got this, and it was perfect because I need it for in our room. And then Christmas is coming up and we're gonna have Christmas tree and stuff. So got 2 of these. They also sell different little what are these called, surge protectors, but these are the ones I got. They were sold out last time I went, but they were actually there today. So yes, that is everything I got. I don't remember how much this was, but it comes with 1 2 3 4 5 6. It come with about 18, 19, maybe 26, because you know my counting off. Oh, this is cute. And I could probably get some, like, I mean, it's cute, like just falling around, but I could probably get something so it won't just be like falling around. But then again, I like how this looks. Oh my god. But ooh, that's another thing. Alea is crawling. Hopefully she does. I just did all 4 of these chairs. I'm sorry the house is a mess, but I just did all 4 of these by myself. It took me about 45 minutes. It's really simple, but I was, well, no, it didn't, because it probably took, I'm gonna say, like 20-30. So this is the dining table and the dining table chairs. The chairs are from Ikea and the table is from Ashley Furniture. I love how this came out. I didn't expect to have anything super modern like this, but I ended up loving it. Don't mind the mess in the back. That's things that I just had stored in here that I'm getting rid of and throwing away. But yeah, I love this so much and I hope you guys love it too. It came out so much better than I expected. And it's perfect for a small space as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Let me know what you think about my dining table and my dining table chairs together. I wanted like a white chair, but I didn't know, and it was just so many options. I didn't know what to get. My theme in my house is like really neutral white, a little bit, a sprinkle of boho, but not really boho. Yeah, so, and really modern is my goal. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this haul. I know it wasn't much, but this is just a realistic, you know, Ikea haul. So if you want to see more videos from me, more home stuff, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.